Good morning, guys! So, for today, date muna. Today is April 17, 2024, and today we're going somewhere as a university girl. Sure. So, I'm ready for my school today. Manifesting my inner Blair Waldorf. Yeah, kapala mukha naman nitong girl na to. But anyways, I'm just gonna show you my OOTD. Kita niyo ba? Yeah. So, okay, hindi ko na isa-isahin. Well, anyways, nasuot ko na to dati, pero for the vlog, di pa. But anyways, we're going to Oxford. So, mag-overnight kami doon for a friend's birthday. So, anyways, I'm done preparing. Just waiting ang pag-alis namin. And we're gonna ride a train going there. Parang dadaan pata ng Birmingham din, Oxford. Kasi walang direct from here. So, anyways, mag-overnight kami doon. And hopefully, maganda ang weather today. Please, Lord, bigay niyo na po sa amin to. So, para makapag-ikot-ikot kami. Anyways, wish us luck. And hope you enjoy today's vlog. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and put a comment in the comment section. Guys, support nyo naman ako. Please. Anyways, and don't forget to follow me on my other socials at Pau Catalan. Okay? Let's go. Let's go na. Hope you enjoy. Hello, guys. Hi, kayo. Hi. We're in Oxford. Starting today, I'll do an English vlog. Char. Sinira agad. I'll try my best, guys. So, yeah. Yes, yo. Okay, we're going to the hotel first, and then ang sarap ng tulog ko, guys. Wala pa ako sa tamang ulirat. Napakalalim pa ng tulog ko. Dumating na kami. So, yeah, 2 hours. Oh, 2 hours. Mga 2 hours. Hindi, less than 2 hours. Yeah, ang bilis lang. So, we're here. Hello, Oxford.
Nag-excuse me siya.
Nag-enroll na kami, guys. Hi guys, so we're here na sa pinagsistayan namin, which is Lina Guest House. You can see, yan siya. So, Lina Guest House, yan yung name. So, I'm just gonna show you a quick tour. Let's close the door. So, meron siyang kasamang free breakfast. So, ito siguro yung magiging breakfast area natin. Looks good, no? And then, we're occupying 2 rooms because 5 kami. Guys, decent lahat. Tour lang tayo ng room. So, yan. Meron siyang bathtub. So, good luck. Wala pong madulas mamaya. And this is our room. Hi! Hello. So, yan. Aming room. Manggulo tayo sa kabilang room. Walang nakahubad dyan sa next room. Okay, room tour. Wow, ang gaganda naman ng mga yan. So, ito room ng mama at papa. Ay, pak. Baka nakita ko sa pasilip lang yung CR. CR ba to? Okay. So, yeah, shower siya. Okay. That's all for the room tour, hotel room tours. Okay. Hi guys, so may magte-take over na po ng vlog ko. So anyways, we just had our lunch. Yan. Medyo may tira-tira pa po dahil mga taga-crazy po kami. Pero yan na lang po natira. Ubus, ninahiya pa. No, girl. Anyways, sunset dito. Kasi ang ganda dito sa Thai. Masarap naman. Pero may mas masarap pa na Thai. Binalong na lang. Anyways, mag-iikot-ikot na kami.
Dapat kanina.
Ano?
This is what we've ordered.
Oh, yan. Sabi sa inyo may magta-take over na ng vlog ko eh. Okay. Okay, we're going in a while. Hello guys, so currently we're in the first stop, which is the Ashmolean Museum. So yeah, it is free and it is one of the stops here in Oxford, but we will not get inside kasi mauubos ang oras natin dyan. So for now, we'll just take pictures here outside and we'll do our tour, our DIY tour. So yeah, it's free. It's open 10 a.m. to 5, I think. Ayan. So if you want to see Egyptian things, you get inside. This is one of the spots here if you have enough time. So for now, we'll just keep it. Kung may extra time, sige puntahan para for now. Pero parang mas bet nila yung hotel in front of it. What's the name of the hotel? The Randolph Hotel, which is maganda. Fairness.
Hindi tayo papasok dito?
Hindi tayo papasok kasi
Sure lang.
mauubos oras natin. Okay? Okay, we're done with the Ashmolean Museum. At hindi pa sila tapos mag-picture. And this one, ang ganda niya, Randolph Hotel. I'm not sure how much is that. Pero mukhang maganda. At nasa gitna siya ng city center. So, kung gusto mo na siguro ng medyo posh na hotel, you go there. Well, hindi kami dyan. Nagtitipid kami. So, our next stop is we're going to the Martyrs Monument, which is that one. Woo! Mataas ang palda ko, girl. So,
Kasama sa vlog yun?
Oo.
Mataas yung panda.
okay lang, okay lang. Wala naman sila makikita.
Ito, gamit mo. Beaumont Street.
Oh, yan, Beaumont Street. So, we're gonna cross the street now to go to the Martyrs Monument. So, yan. Isa siya sa mga stop here. We're gonna take some pictures there. I'm trying my best, guys. I was trying to speak in English more so I can have more followings that are not speaking in Tagalog. O, diba? Ang ganda. It's a nice place. So, yeah. We're gonna cross the street. Let's go. So you can see, meron silang hop off, hop on bus and you can try. So yeah, I think 15 pounds, guys. So iikot ka na yan dito. Okay, we're gonna take some pictures here in the Martyr Monument. Okay. Hi guys, so currently we're here in the Oxford University Museum of Natural something. So yeah, mag-picture-picture muna kami dito. Ang ganda ng lugar dito. Ayan na sila, parating na sila. Picture-picture.
Loading. Hi guys! So dito na kami sa Oxford University. Tinatawanan nila ako. Ulit, magtatagal. So yeah, take pictures na kami.
Okay, we're here in the Sheldonian Theater, guys. And then, as you can see, I'm not sure if we can enter, pero try natin. Pero take pictures muna tayo dito sa labas. Okay? So, hi guys. So, I'm back. A while ago, we're from the Sheldonian Theater, which is sarado na siya ngayon. I think baka may event sa loob kaya hindi na sila papapasok. Pero free siya to enter. And then the next one is yung itong building na to is the Bodleian Library. So yan, nandyan nagpicture-picture kami kanina dyan. Maganda dyan sa loob. Pero yung main library itself, medyo may entrance sa ata. So kung nakakanood kayo ng mga Harry Potter scenes na nasa library sila, yan, nandyan sa loob yan. And then the next stop is the famous bridge, which is here. Yun lang, sayang may scaffolding, pero we're taking pictures here now. Maybe I'll try to add a video. Hindi ko pala na video kanina yung loob, pero ang ganda dyan sa loob. Parang yung courtyard nila. So anyways, gonna take some pictures here. Okay, see you guys. Yung famous Bridge of Sight. Yan yung name niya, Bridge of Sight. Okay? Isa sa mga icons sa Oxford.
Sige, dito lang namin. Wow, may behind the scenes. Thank you. So we're done with the Bridge of Sight.
Sino hindi nagpa-picture
Sino
dito?
pang hindi pa nagpapapicture?
Thank you. Picture akin na yung phone.
Hello guys, we're back. So we're going to the Radcliffe Square. So yan yung sinasabi ko kaninang Bodleian Libraries. Bodleian, yeah. So we're here na sa Radcliffe Square. Isa din siya sa mga iconic na place dito sa Oxford. Eh, ano siya, oh. Ganda-ganda naman niya. I think mas picture yung kabilang side. Nakakatakot naman yung may tao doon sa... Nakikita mo yung babae doon sa bintana. Nakita mo yung babae sa bintana.
I-ano mo yan?
Ayan. So, yan. We're here in the Radcliffe Square. Ito pala yung tinuturo ni Madam. Pero na-distract kasi ako doon sa babae sa bintana. Nakakatakot. Doon sa taas, ay kita niya yung bitanang yan. Sa other side, yung more picture resting niya. Ayan. Yan ang Radcliffe Square. So, we're... Punta tayo sa other side. O sige, picture daw muna kami dito guys ha. O sige, pagbigyan na natin. Okay, sharing you guys the Radcliffe Square. So this is the square, diba? Square nga siya. Pero anyways, this is the Radcliffe Tower or whatever, library, parang ganun. So, ayan, iconic din siya dito. Kapag pupunta ka talaga ng Oxford, you have to take a picture with this. Parang yung Bridge of Sight. So, ayan. So, this is a good place, no? Napakaganda. Grabe, guys. Grabe. Yun lang masasabi mo, grabe ang ganda dito sa Oxford. So, yeah. So happy that we're able to go here. And my friends, and sila. So, yeah. Enjoy na ba kayo guys? Pasensya na, medyo putol-putol yung vlog. Try my best na to catch every place na maganda. Okay? Thank you for following Continue lang watching. So we're here in the University Church of St. Mary Virgin. So let's get inside guys. Ang gaganda ng mga set sumabit. Sorry guys. Yan na. Bakit? Tapos na. So, we're here in the tower. We can get up, pero may payment siya. Okay lang. Let's get inside. Let's get inside. Yan. St. Mary's. Small church na siya. Okay. Organ niya. So, this is the University Church of St. Mary's. I'm not sure kung Church of England din siya, pero mostly kasi Church of England. Maliit lang siya na church. And it looks good. Nice looking. Okay. Simple lang siya. Ay, hindi. Inabol siya. Oh, diba? Hindi. Bawal. Hello guys, we're currently in Christchurch. So, hanggang dito lang kami sa labas. Kasi when you enter it, it's 75 pounds. If you want the Harry Potter experience, you go there. Pero 75 pounds. So, hanggang ganito lang tayo, guys. Gusto nyo sisilip lang tayo, pero hindi tayo makakalagpas dyan sa red line.
You won't be able to see them eh.
Hi! So, ayan. Appreciate na natin. Kung mayaman-yaman tayo, dun natin patulan yung Harry Potter experience. So, for now, yan lang muna tayo. The Christchurch. Which is napakaganda daw dyan. So, if you really want to experience it, go guys. Where for now, hindi pa namin kaya. We will try next time. Maybe next time, guys. Okay. Masarap ba dun?
I tried one before but I didn't like it.
Okay, hindi good.
Hindi naman nila masarap. Okay, sabi ko maybe it depends on the...
Parang marami nga siya. So, hi guys. We're here in Oxford Castle and Prison. So, ayun yung entrance.
This is the entrance. It says you need to stop inside and do yes, step inside and do 1,000.
So, it's an Oxford Castle and Prison. So, ayan na. Wow! Woo! Wow!
So this is it. It's just
So, wow!
maintenance.
So, may scaffolding pa guys.
Ay, may ganito sa York.
Parang sarado na. parang so far, mukhang sarado na. Mukhang sinara na tayo na. Mukhang sarado na yung mismong ano. Pero okay lang. Kasi mukhang, oo. And
mag-selfie na lang tayong lahat.
picture na lang tayo. Background yung castle. And we're going to the mall after. Yay! Masaya sila! Woo! Ang dami niyong pera. Hindi man lang kung okay, here we are.
This isn't alive.
Moving takoyaki. Eh, napakainin na natin sila. So, we're here in ramen. Ramen. Culture ramen. So, ito yung mga price list nila. If you want to check. So, based sa check namin, 4.7 star siya. So, I think naman, maliit lang yung place, pero puno naman. Good. Lagi may nagpapadeliver. So, I'm gonna eat first while we wait for our ramen. Okay, dumating na po ang ramen. Tonkatsu ramen. And takoyaki. Yeah. Let's eat, guys.